A floating action button is a circular icon button that hovers over content to promote a primary action in the application. Floating action buttons are most commonly used in the scaffold.floating action button field. Use at most a single floating action button per screen. Floating action buttons should be used for positive actions such as create, share, or navigate. If more than one floating action button is used within a route, then make sure that each button has a unique hero tag, otherwise an exception will be thrown. If the onPressed callback is null, then the button will be disabled and will not react to touch. It is highly discouraged to disable a floating action button as there is no indication to the user that the button is disabled. Consider changing the background color if disabling the floating action button.